Hey guys, it's Barrett with Gimpy Gives Back, where we take our equipment around and we help veterans in need. So we're still with this property we've been working on for seems like ever. That's where we started at, was the front yard over there. Today's project is going to be the driveway, which is fairly unorganized and has a lot of car parts and tires and such. They told me they wanted me to stack those at this, there's a little shed back here that's kind of falling down. They want me to stack that stuff back there. That way it's not out in the open, but they can still get to it to haul it off eventually or whatever they want to do. So we're gonna get that taken care of. We're gonna clear all this out too, and hopefully have a place where we can back some of these vehicles up in, clear this man's driveway out. So let's get to work. All right, so things aren't going to plan, obviously. I'm stacking some tires and stuff over here on the edge, so I can barely get down through here because it's so steep. I moved the boat over a little bit, but it's not really worth the trouble that it is to get down in there. So he was fine with everything up here by the driveway, so I'm trying to straighten it up a little bit and just move it, push it back further towards the woods and clear this out. All right, so just a little update. Made it up to here where these burn barrels are. They're all rusted out. I don't know what I'm going to do with that yet. But, yeah, it's looking pretty decent, I think. Alright guys, so we got a lot of this cleared out. I didn't get all the way to the end like I wanted to today. I'm tired. I've been working down here a lot. I think this man really appreciates it though, so that helps. We'll get this thing done, hopefully down to the fence tomorrow and then the other side of the driveway. And then all we got left is his little yard area up there. And it's got some fence. And a lot of it, when we clear this brush out, it's going to free that up. So I think that'll take care of it. Apparently it's going to rain tonight too. So if I'm able to burn tomorrow, I'm going to do that. We'll have to see. There's a burn ban right now. So we'll see you tomorrow. Alright guys, so it's day 2. I actually forgot my camera bag, so I started working on this already. My sister-in-law brought me my camera bag because I'm about 10 minutes from the house, so that worked out well. So today's project is to get this cleared all the way back to the fence, possibly go ahead and get the fence up. That would be ideal. But I did wait until later this afternoon to come out here because I'm telling you, this heat's been getting to me. I feel pretty good right now after resting some extra this morning. But last night, even after it cooled off, you could probably tell in the video, I was toasted. And I slept in this morning. I just took it easy. I waited till about 3 o'clock to come out here today thinking that it was going to start cooling off a little bit by now. It really hadn't. It's 85 degrees right now. It's supposed to rain sometime the next couple of days, so I'm hoping I can do some burning then. But if you're following this video, I really appreciate it. You know, I'm having an issue with getting the views on these videos more than I thought that I would. But the more that you comment and like and all that stuff, the more the algorithm thinks that, you know, people may want to watch this. Another, you know, thing that really helps me out is to watch the video all the way through. But if you made it this far, you likely are. So thanks for your support. Let's get back to work. Hey guys, we're almost to the finish line here. I can see the fence. There's only a few things in between here and there. Heat's starting to get to me again, but surely I can get these few things cut down. Use the excavator, haul them out. Alright, so the sun's going down right now. We did get all the way to the fence, which was our goal, so we got all that cleared out. Light just popped on here. We did also, when I was grabbing this last stack, I saw a spark when I was trying to pull it, and I was wondering why it wasn't coming up. Found my first, what they call, rainbow root. So this wire along here was just barely under the surface, and when I grabbed those logs, it pinched it just enough to pull it up. It could be live right now. I told the homeowner I'll work on that tomorrow. We'll have to turn the breaker off and see where the wire's damaged and fix it and put it back under the ground. So it is what it is. At least nobody got hurt. Didn't start a fire. Alright, so we're back here on day 3 of this upper yard here. I'm hoping to get this side and the other side done today. Just got a lot of this trash to pick up. The big thing that's going to slow me down today is this rainbow root that I got into over here. This electrical wire that goes out to that post over there, it's basically was only under the ground about 1 inch. So when I went to grab some of the last trees that I got last night, I snagged it, pulled it up, tore it in a spot, and it started sparking. So I just checked it. I asked the homeowner to turn the breaker off, but it's still got power on this side of where I caught it. So it looks like it's just not powered at the end because of the break in the line. So I'm gonna get that taken care of. I'm going to figure out how to get this power off and talk to him about that. But I got a kit to splice that to make it better. So, and then we're gonna rebury it a little bit here. Probably about as much as was buried before, because that's what the rest of it is. But I got the ripper tooth to kind of tear up the soil a little bit to make it easier so I don't have to get the shovel out. So we'll get that done, and hopefully get some of these. My daughter's coming to help me for a little bit. We'll have her pick some of this trash up, and we'll get this thing done. That's where the wires messed up. Already tested this. No power now. All right, so my daughter came. She's helping me pick up trash. She went to grab something to eat. I think that we're gonna call this pretty good. I'm still don't have the electrical line fixed. I still gotta work on that, but much better, much better. Now we're gonna do the other side of the driveway. Alright, so we got most of this straightened up. There's the lawnmower back here I can't do anything with. Those oil things beside the lawnmower, they're dry rotted and breaking, so I'm not going to move those. But I got a little bit of trash here to pick up. I'm going to get that tomorrow and work on the little yard area. But I think that's going to do it for today. So we'll go over here, take a look at this real quick. I think I already showed you guys, but we'll pan it around. You know, this was only like 5 feet where you could walk through here before, so we opened up quite a bit of space in here. Pretty happy with it. So if you enjoy watching this kind of videos, click up here and watch some more, and we do appreciate you.